Hello friend, this is Samal Adhikari. I hope all of you are well. I have again come back to you to share some tips and tricks which can help you definitely to be fluent in English. So first of all, I would like to remind you, in my last video I told you about LSRW technique, listening, speaking, reading and writing. But today I am going to share you very easy technique that would definitely help you to be fluent in English. So my first technique is number 1. As I said 100 times in my last videos, like please stop translating. Stop translating. Even some of my students also requested me, sir, please you teach English in Bengali or in Hindi. First tell me the Hindi sentence or the Bengali sentence, then teach us how to translate. Okay, I did it for some days, and to prove them that they are wrong, because if you want to translate from Bengali and Hindi to English, you will think in Bengali and you will think in Hindi. You will not be able to think in English. So number 1, I told them that say as per your request I started giving you Bengali or Hindi sentences for translating, but did it help you? After 2 days of practicing, they said, no sir, still now whenever we want to speak, words are not coming into mind. I said, yes, this thing happens because when you do not know the actual technique. Always remember how we have learned Bengali or Hindi or all the other Indian language, I mean our mother tongue. We learned not by translating. The basic thing is that whatever language right now we know, we never learnt it through translating. We learnt it by listening and speaking. So I told them again, please listen, listen and listen. Listening is the first part of learning. Number 1. Second tip, you can start mirror practice. It's very important. Most of the celebrities, actors, actresses, anchors, public speakers, they practice it on a daily basis. What you need to do, you just take a small passage, which is again very simple. Again I am saying, in my last video also I repeated so many times, like we have to always try to choose something which is very easy, very simple, right? So I told them, to my student, that okay, now stop translating. And my second tips number 2, that start doing mirror practice. Take a small passage, read it out 3 or 4 times, understand the meaning and stand in front of the mirror and start speaking. What is the benefit of it? The benefit is, first of all, you can see yourself when you are talking, because when you talk to somebody, that person can see you, how do you look when you talk, but you can't see yourself. But when you start when you start talking in front of the mirror, you can look at yourself, you can see that when you talk, how do you look like. Okay, so this is the first step, that you can rectify your mannerism. If you have some bad mannerism, wrong mannerism, like sometime when we talk we scratch our nose, we just scratch our head, our hair, it happens because it happens unknowingly, unconsciously, because it's our habit. So when you talk to yourself in front of the mirror, if this thing happens with you, you can rectify this mannerism. Okay, and it can help you to improve your body language, your facial gestures, your eye movement, your hand gestures, which play a huge role overall. They play a huge role in communication. Okay, you can listen something, a speech, and after that you understand the meaning and then you speak it out in front of the mirror. Okay, so these 2 things you can do on a daily basis. And number 3, if you can understand English, you can speak. Just believe me, if you understand, means your brain has the capacity to identify the words, but when you want to speak out, then you get stuck because you don't have the practice, right? If I say iconoclast, if you know the meaning, if your brain is acquainted with this word, then you would understand what is the meaning of iconoclast. But if you don't, that you won't. If your brain doesn't know what is the actual meaning of it, you won't understand it, right? So what I want to say, that it means if you understand English language, you can definitely speak it out. Just practice. Let me spell it out, practic. This is the only mantra. If you start practicing every day, if you start listening every day instead of translating, if you do mirror practice every day, if you speak and listen every day, nobody can stop you, but you need the motivation. You need to get motivated. Don't just give up on it. Just keep practicing every day. A day will come, you will be fluent in English and your life will change. Just believe me, it can change your life. What you need is to get motivated, and it is only you who can motivate yourself, and which is 100% possible to speak English. Doesn't matter which medium you have studied. All the best and best of luck. Keep practicing, and if you have any query, ask me in the comment section. If you like my video, please like it, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.